country boy, living like my parents said. Hustle in these fields cause I gotta keep the family fed. Hit the back road, pick a case of fire water up. Mamas keep them close cause I might pick your daughter up. Hit life boy with a redneck attitude. Daddy got me living right, pops, here's my gratitude. Staying on the trail, you can call me a hunting dog. Big country boy, keep it hotter than a fire log. Keep that grease hot, now I'm working like a wild hog. Hit the K3, puff, puff like the morning fall. Drinking on the farm, no, we don't even need the bar. Hit life, drinking shine straight from a mason jar. Double wine, big smoke, hit life, feeling it. Big country white boy, backwoods killing it.
Big time, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping from a jar, swimming in a water hole. Living this hick life, wild as a rodeo. Hick life, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping that jar, swimming that water hole. Living this hick life, wild like a rodeo.
From up on the south, one more time. You know we from the woods, but we still on the grind. Got my double out up, about to take that aim. You know the heat life, about to kill that game. We the PIMP, Southern Supreme. Still bake, give business with my homegrown team. Cropping the green, the cattle we got 'em. If you want a slow piece, come straight to the bottom. Gotta dig in the day, just to find my bone. Gotta dig in these roads, and you can find my chrome. Moved on from Bell and Hay to making country tunes. Big, small, and double wide, we letting it loose. Kicking ramen foods, drinking them suds. Country living, hick life, that's what's up. Hop in the hall pen, stank on my boots. Hick life, country style with the southern roots, yeah.
Big life, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping from a jar, swimming in a water hole. Living this hick life, wild as a rodeo. Hick life, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping that jar, swimming that water hole. Living this hick life, wild like a rodeo.
True South living, welcome to the country, y'all. Born in the southern sticks, raised on a cattle farm. Fishing down the Duck River, sipping on apple pie. Smoking cedar shrub, got me floating, feeling super fine. Keep a couple super dime, homegrown cuties. They're prize winning fairground Tennessee beauties. With the Boston butt booty, slow cooked and seasoned. Lift a skirt like a mud buggy, give me one reason. I swear no teasing, I take them down the dirt road. Straight through an open field where the moonlight glows. Skinny dipping in the pond underneath the open sky. Frog gig chicken on the bank when the super dime. Standing boy, I'm super high. K3 cushy, rum and doc in the spotlight. High school nookie, I'm a monster out the cage. You can call me Honky Kong, big boss of the sticks, and I'm hit like strong. Come on.
Hick life, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping from a jar, swimming in a water hole. Living this hick life, wild as a rodeo. Hick life, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping that jar, swimming that water hole. Living this hick life, wild like a rodeo.
Babies, what's up?
Oh shit, I forgot to push record.
Hick life, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping from a jar, swimming in a water hole. Living this hick life, wild as a rodeo. Hick life, raised on a dirty road. Grew up doing what my daddy told. Sipping that jar, swimming that water hole. Living this hick life, wild like a rodeo.
my granddaddy and my daddy's ways. They both taught me right from wrong, how to fight and how to get along. But my own life now is almost gone. In southern ground I belong. My final hour is drawing near, so friend, come sit by me right here. Let's laugh and talk about our lives and the good old days before I die. Please give your word, this vow you'll keep. When I return to earth to sleep, let me dream forever under southern land with a Dixie flag tied in my hand. Time has come before they lay me down to rest. Friend, in my time of darkness, please grant me just this one last request. Dixieland is where I want to make my final stand. When they lay me down, just bury me in southern ground. One last look at the countryside before I close my weary eyes. Southern air from my last breath, here comes my sweet angel of death. Sing Dixie while they lower me, so I'll hear it for eternity. I can feel the reaper's touch, ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Friend, when my time has come, before they lay me down to rest, friend, time of darkness, please grant me just this one last request. Dixieland is where I want to make my final stand. I don't care if I'm in a box or not. When they lay me down, just bury me in southern ground. Dixieland is where I want to make my final stand. I don't care if I'm in a box or not. When they lay me down, just bury me in southern ground. Skyline brings an urban lullaby that still rings true. When I passed you on the street that day, should've let that red sky fly away. Like any chance I had of keeping you, like the northern wind a blowing. Yeah, my lonely heart was frozen. Never knew I'd find a way to break yours too. Where the wind blows, babe, you can bet I'll be riding high with it, holding on for my dear life just like I always did. Close your eyes, babe, take a breath, say my name and I'll be dead. My love will find you me, I wish I might find it in your heart, stick around. I hate it at the end this way. Tomorrow is a brand new day. The chances here in love are precious few. If someone's out there waiting for a sweet good time and lady to make you smile the way I always wanted to. Where the wind blows, baby, you can bet I'll be riding high with it, holding on for my dear life just like I always did. Close your eyes, baby, take a breath, say my name and I'll be there. My love will find you anywhere, anywhere, my love. Open wide, love don't lie, lie, we can fly. Where the wind blows, babe, you can bet I'll be riding high with it, holding on for my dear life just like I always did. Close your eyes, babe, take a breath, say my name and I'll be there, my love.